Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
There are many different ways to make a beef and cheese burrito, but what I'm going to recommend is that you get to know my barbacoa recipe. It's got all of the right ingredients to pack your beef and cheese burritos full of flavor. Not to mention, it's great with tacos. But since this video is based on frozen beef and cheese burritos, we need to refrigerate our barbacoa. And what you end up with is a nice fatty cap right across the whole top of the meat. And you can scrape that out if you prefer, but I like to mix it right back into it. If you really know anything about meat, you know just as well as I do, a lot of that flavor comes from that fat. So it's best to just mix it in there until it's nice and spotty like this. Now in the past I've preached to you about using large tortillas, but these here are no bigger than my hand. And they roll a lot better without cracking if they're heated in a microwave for about 30 seconds or a minute. In the meantime, you want to grate some cheese. This is Monterey Jack. I also like to add some green chili, or in this case, diced jalapeno. By now the tortillas should be ready. And while I'm getting these open, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's always smart to flip these over on the other side once they've steamed in the bag a little bit. It kind of balances out the warmth. And just pull out one at a time. Make sure you keep your bag closed so it keeps the rest of them warm. And now you're ready to rock and roll and start knocking out some burritos. I usually start with the beef first, but if you want the cheese on top, lay that down first. Then some green chilies, or diced jalapeno, and then your cheese. Fold in the sides, fold the flap, roll it straight through. Nothing to it. Now just add it to a Ziploc baggie, and you can just overnight these in a freezer until they're frozen all the way through. And these can be reheated in an oven or a microwave, like this one here. And I'll leave the heating time and temps on my website for you. But take a good look at the inside here, huh? Nice. Let's go ahead and take a bite. I'm telling you, these are really good. And there you have it, beef and cheese burritos, right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.